Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Brian Argenti.
We were just talking about some of those winds impacting other communities to our south. We're seeing those same winds across the Susquehanna Valley. Take a look at this. We have 51 miles per hour reported in Middletown and Dauphin County, as well as Newport, 49 miles per hour, Cashtown, 48 miles per hour. Very windy conditions as we go through the rest of tonight, getting into tomorrow. And because of that, we've made it an alert night and an alert day getting into Monday. And it's also due to the fact that we now have a high wind warning in effect until 4 o'clock in the afternoon for tomorrow. Taking a look at Storm Team Live Radar Network, we're seeing a little bit of light snow lighting up parts of Mifflin and Juniata counties there, but very light snow. And this is coming from the northwest right off of Lake Erie. I'll show you that here in just a bit. It'll be mostly cloudy for tonight, but we're dealing with those strong wind gusts with wind chills into the teens, with temperatures right into the lower 20s, also into the mid 20s as well. But look at these wind speeds. 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained, with gusts up to 50 miles per hour, potentially greater than 50 miles per hour. And that's going to be the same story heading into tomorrow morning, with gusts still into the 50 mile per hour range. But we'll be partly sunny. But yes, strong winds will be persisting. Temperatures into the upper 20s, low 30s potentially. Getting into tomorrow afternoon, we'd start to raise a little bit in the temperatures. Still partly sunny, still very strong winds with those low wind chills. Average high for this time of year is 42 degrees. And as you can see, we hit 42 degrees for the majority of us. But in terms of average conditions, we're definitely not average for this time of year with these winds. Check this out. Not every day is that you see this these very high winds. We'll have the strongest winds from about now till about 10 o'clock on Monday as we get into tomorrow. So we're into the 30s at this point. We're 36 in Carlisle, 35 in Harrisburg at this time. And we're looking at the Storm Team Live Radar Network. I want to show you this northwesterly flow that we have coming off of Lake Erie. That's allowing some of this lake effect snow to occur and reach parts of our northwesternmost communities. So if you're seeing some light snow in Mifflin and Juniata counties, this is why. We're seeing some cold air getting filtered in from the northwest off of Lake Erie. So we're going to have some off and on clouds as we get into the rest of the night tonight. Getting into tomorrow morning, we start the day off with some partly sunny conditions and also varying with some mostly cloudy conditions, as you can see in some parts of the area. But we'll see off and on clouds as we get into Monday as well as Tuesday and into the rest of the day Tuesday as well. Now, the big talker, though, is going to be Wednesday. And we know a lot of people have been asking about Wednesday and also Thursday. Are we getting snow? Are we getting snow? Where we're at with right now is that we are seeing the potential for there being snow. The timing right now looks like it'll be starting Wednesday evening, potentially overnight into Thursday, but the worst of that storm is staying to our south and it will move out to sea by the time we get into Thursday night. So in terms of where we're at with the weather forecasting, when it comes to forecasting these events, I'll step out of the picture here so you can see our daily details. We are currently at the when/what could we be seeing, that 3 to 5 day mark, where we're trying to determine the details, the specific details of this next snow maker. So for the rest of the next 10 days, again, blustery and cold impact day for Monday. Getting into the middle of the week, again, a chance of snow comes in Wednesday evening into early Thursday. That's going to be another cold and chilly end to the week as we get to the end of this weekend. Back to you.